morning, YouTube. So I just got out of my math final, which was very early. It was very hard to get up. Anyway, I think I did okay on it. I was only in there for like an hour and a half, so I made good time. So I'm happy with that. A lot of the material seemed really familiar. I have to admit I did blank on a few sections, probably because I didn't study them as thoroughly as I should have. Because they were so recent from like the last unit we did. I figured I had it nailed, right? But no. Anyway, I think I did good enough to pass, so I'm really happy. Yeah, so I'll look forward to getting my grades back in a few weeks and seeing if I'm gonna have to retake math or not, and I really hope I don't have to, because if not, this will be the last math class I have to take for like the rest of university. That'd be really cool because I got all my math over with in the first year because I'm awesome that way. So yeah, now I only have to get my philosophy paper finished tonight, and then I got a mythology exam on Friday, which will be easy breezy because I know all the material. So yeah, I feel like a huge weight is off my shoulders now because the math exam was the one that I was stressing about so much, and now that's done, so I'm happy. We had a tornado last night. I don't know for sure if it actually struck or came down anywhere here in St. Cloud. There was one in Sauk Center, which isn't too far away though, and we had a tornado warning for like the whole county for like about an hour, I guess. And I was actually taking some really awesome pictures of the storm clouds as they were coming in from the north, and I was in the middle of taking those pictures and the sirens went off, and I was like, damn it, because it was starting to get really close and the clouds looked really cool. If you don't know much about me, you wouldn't know that I have this thing with taking pictures of storms. Like last summer, I think was probably the most dangerous because we had a really awful, nasty wall cloud coming in. If you don't know what a wall cloud is, it's like this huge, it looks like the edge of like a mushroom cloud rolling in, kind of. And it carries a lot of wind and possibly rain and hail, and they can be very damaging. Anyway, last summer I was at my mom's place and there was this really awesome storm rolling in. This incredible wall cloud. It was green and pink. It looked scary as all hell, right? And I was outside the house as this was rolling in, taking pictures. And I didn't actually go back into the house until like I was starting to blow over. Yeah. So I don't know, I wanted to stay up in the lounge last night and continue taking pictures. But you know, my CA was up on the floor and they were trying to get everybody downstairs. Oh no, it's a tornado, oh no, everybody was freaking out. I'm just like, guys, come on, this is Minnesota. It's like, you know, a couple drops of rain and a piece of hail will scare you guys, you know. But yeah, I don't know. So I went down into the basement. That was the first time I've ever been in the kitchen in Sherburne Hall, and it's not very impressive. But yeah, and then we heard like all this like loud rain or hail type noise, and the ceiling started leaking, and I was thinking, oh man, the building didn't take damage, did it? That'd be horrible. It's like, where am I gonna sleep? I have an exam in the morning, you know. But I don't know, it was all good. And then after about like 20 minutes of sitting down there like that, I was like, I've had enough, I'm going back up. And then all the storm stuff had gone over, and it was just rain and rain and rain, and yeah, I don't know, I kind of feel like I should have stayed upstairs and kept taking pictures, because somebody captured video of a funnel cloud that wasn't actually too far from the residence halls, and man, if I would have seen that, oh, I think that was like, from the looks of the video, I think it was right after the sirens had stopped blaring, and it was like, oh man, I wish, right? Next time, it might storm today too, so that's kind of exciting. Anyway, so it is now 9:15. I'm going to tool around on the internet for a bit, and then I think later on I'm actually going to go to the mall and walk around campus. So I will take you guys with me, okay? Bye. is nice, isn't it? Look at all the pretty flowering trees. So I've never been down here before. I've meant to, and I just didn't. Seems to be a lot of trails here too. Should check some of this out. Oh, look at this. There's like stairs and stuff that go down here. Doesn't look very safe though. I don't think I'm gonna go this way. I think we'll take the safe path. Can't get a very clear shot of the river from here either, to keep going. More residence halls. That is a steep drop. I don't know if you can tell, but it is. This is kind of a bust. I think we might get out of here. It's like really hot today too. Oh God, this is steep. Jesus Christ. There's the back of Lawrence. Isn't that pretty? There's Stewart Hall. Oh look! Silox! Oh, isn't that pretty? Well, you can kind of see the water from here. It's like everything grew up so quickly though, so it's just brush. Hey, hey, hey. I think we found a good spot. Alright, there's the river. This is the Mississippi River for those of you who are not familiar with the geography of the United States. Maybe we'll keep on this, see how far it goes. See ya.